Presenting a brand new 2022 Winnebago Minnie 2529RG. New 2022 Winnebago Minnie 2529RG. It may go by Minnie, but it's designed for big outdoor adventure. An easy-to-pull, lightweight camper, Minnie maximizes its compact space with features that challenge the conventional idea of what a travel trailer can be. Our 2022 Minnie 2529RG is our most popular floor plan in the Minnie lineup and is finished in brilliant silver with the crosshatch interior colorway. Options on this coach include 30-pound LP tanks, solar panel, power stabilizer jacks, heated holding tank pads, theater seating, second 13.5 AC unit, power tongue jack, and Goodyear tires. MSRP on this unit is $56,112. UVW is 5996 pounds. GVW is 8800 pounds. See all photos of this and other fine RVs and vehicles at www.GurdonAutoSales.com, or call John Gurdon to discuss transaction details.